So this is a geometric series. We need to find the value of q. So for geometric series, we know that the ratio of this one and this one will be same. If this is r, this will also be r. So now we can write q ln x divided by 2 ln x is equal to ln root x divided by q ln x. So it will be cancelled out. So q by 2 is equal to ln x to the power half. We can write it divided by q ln x. So it will be q by 2 half ln x divided by q ln x. So it will be 2q square is equal to, it will be cancelled out 2. So q square will be 1. So q will be plus minus 1. And this is our answer.